Alright guys, it is now 2 days after the last part. I'm very sorry that I wasn't able to get a lot of any footage down. It's just, yeah, I'm sorry. But I wanted to give you guys a little tour of the room. Let's start at the door here. This is how you get in and out. You don't get to see me quite yet. Maybe one day, maybe around Christmas or something. But got some hooks there. Here, found with a long ass coax cable. Router's not up here though. But I guess if I want a cable TV, I don't know if that's even usable. I don't know. I'll have to see about that one day. Outlet here, like with the extension for the security camera outside. The Kenmore air conditioner in the wall, very nice. There's these nice blackout curtains with these blinds that are actually installed properly. See? These nice windows. A little dirty, but I'll clean those up during the spring. Here's the same old dresser. I'm gonna look to get a new one because this one just it just doesn't look very good. I assume it used to be white at one point. You can kind of see how it's like that, but I'm not sure. Some papers and just random stuff up here, along with my alarm clock, my lamp, lava lamp. Here's the bed. One of the few times that it's made its way on camera and actually has a sheet on it. I know it's kind of weird, but that's just how it is sometimes. Naruto poster. Janky wiring. And fun fact, the bottom outlet over there actually has to be plugged in from back there somewhere. Because it's just so weird. I'll talk about the weird stuff in this house another time. Nightstand with some random crap down there I don't use. My firelight thing, which I actually need to refill right after this. Another lava lamp. GTA 4 poster. I have it on the subway one, so it would hang vertically. Very beat up though. But it's okay. This is a box for my drum kit, which is in the basement. I originally had it in here, but it resonated through the floor so much, it was just so loud, so I put it in the basement where it is a lot better. There's just a bunch of junk back in here. Not a whole lot to see. I gotta find somewhere to put this thing. I'm not quite sure yet. There's actually proper lighting in here now. Very nice. Let's fix that. Here's where I put all my like game stuff / music / movies. You can see here I got all my controllers, Wii remotes, Xbox 360, Xbox One, PS2, PS4, probably soon PS3 as well. And as well as the TV remote, because even though it's way over here, you can't really... Every gaming adventure always starts with turning on the TV. There's some extra games and movies and stuff right here, as well as some batteries in a jar for some reason. Over here are all my PlayStation games. Mostly PS4, but down there I do have some PS1. And on this side, there's my Xbox One games and Xbox 360 games. This is not the extent of my 360 library. Some of it's over at the other house because my sister has a 360. And these are just the games that I took over that I usually play and she doesn't. And then Wii games. Most of these Wii games I wouldn't play, it's mostly just a bunch of like shovelware that I just happen to have because somebody gave me like a whole bunch of like accessories and games a while back, just a giant tote full of it. And some of the games are good, but other ones, whatever. Filing cabinet for important papers. Just a bunch of random stuff here for now. Eventually I'll put some more stuff here, but this is the extent of things right now. Obviously the other window. This tape was because I had these on there, but I had to, but they just kept falling off. Well, another lava lamp. Whole bunch of boxes. Eventually we'll do something about that. 12-inch Lasco fan, working its magic there. There's the return vent that barely works. Also some, I don't know what language it is. I don't know if that's like Chinese or something. It's definitely some Asian language. Here's another one on this side. Just did this actually not too long ago. Although I'd like another one to go right next to there. There's the attic doorway back there. That's why all this is over there in this corner, just because we don't go in the attic very much. It's an Avenged Sevenfold thing. My sister printed that for me. Probably gonna go to an Avenged concert on March. So I might post a video from that. It's one of my beer signs, as the other one was taken from an old friend and refuses to give it back. If you're watching this video, give me my beer signs back. I don't drink, but they're really cool. And of course this one's the broken one. Naruto ramen cup that a friend gave me. My Sony Dream Machine alarm clock. The other one was a Memorex, I forgot to mention that. And there's some manga and light novels there, along with a gimmicky flying spinner that doesn't work nearly as much as it advertises. Some more movies and stuff right there, some applesauce for some reason. My Logitech speakers that I got as an early Christmas present this year from a friend. These are pretty good, actually. I don't know how expensive or cheap they are, but you know, if you're looking for a decent set of speakers, like not a big set but small, these are one to go. This is an old church thing from my grandma's. This doesn't work, and I wouldn't want to plug it in anyways. The plug is very bad on it. Oh yeah, that's a lava lamp. Some deodorant stuff, whatever. My PlayStation 1, which sadly does not work, as you may have seen in a different video. Moving down here, just a bunch of random stuff for right now. But my Lenovo IdeaPad laptop, my Halo 3 Special Edition Xbox 360, which has the Red Ring of Death, as does this one here. Originally it didn't, but now it does. And it's just random other stuff around some comics, the Calvin and Hobbes series, and also a little bit of Garfield there too. And my GTA San Andreas map. Just note this light on the ceiling, very similar to the ones at the old house, along with my other desk being right here. And here's the new TV stand that I just got. This thing was free, by the way, and I very much like it. It fits a lot of stuff on it. The only thing I don't quite like is that you can't put your games on it, like no shelves for games, but that's okay because I have that corner now. So we got the PS4, the Xbox One, a couple PS2s, Wii, Xbox 360, and also a VCR. All of which work except for the fat PS2, which sucks, but that's okay. Some Disney Infinity figures, some Skylander figures, along with my... That's not centered. Okay. Along with my Kinect and on a Pokemon thing that I got forever ago. So yeah, that's the extent of how things are right now. I'll post updates down the line. Let me know what you guys want to see. But anyways, signing out.